Hi guys, I just received my IPSY Glam bag for February 2022 last week, and I'm just going to show you what I received. Um, I'll list the price because I pay monthly in the description box. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And let's begin. And this is the bag. I've taken the items out of the bag, and it's really cute. It has hearts all over it. It was for Valentine's, it looks like, which passed, but yeah, really cute. And it says, the little tag says IPSY. And I'm going to show you the card that comes in there, and it says full hearts. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And then this is the list of the products that I received in there. So I'm going to go down the list. The first item that I received is this is the Benefit. And it says Roller Lash Curling Mascara. And the full size price would be $25. This is like a smaller size, so I don't think this is the full size. So let me just show you what it looks like inside, which you've seen Lash mascara before, but yeah, let me just show you. This is what it looks like. And again, it looks like this. And it just says, go ahead. I'm just going to put this down so I could just read it off to you. For the mascara, it says, go ahead and laugh until you cry in the water-resistant mascara. And it says here that it's an instant curve setting formula, conditions your eyes and stays put for 12 hours. And it says, while the unique hooked and roll brush does it all. And they said it separates, lift, and curl. And like I said, this is $25 for the full size. And this is Benefit Cosmetics. The next item that I received, it's called, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Papa Receipt Bombee Pore Honey Mask. I hope I said it right. And this one is a honey mask. And it says the sheet mask dual has got all the skin care needs covered. And he said it helps hydrate skin and soothes irritation, helps tighten your pores for smooth complex. I'm sorry about that. And it says all natural ingredients. And this is $3.50 per mask. So this is the first one that I got. And let me just show you the second one. And this is honey too, so a honey mask pack. So yeah, this is what I received. And like I said, this is $3.50 per mask. And so let me just put these down here. Sorry about that. And then the next item that I received, it says a HIPDOT contour brush, and this is what it looks like. It's really a pretty brush. And it says it's made with ultra soft, high quality bristles that it says this makeup brush will help you add detail to your look with precision. And then it says use your favorite powder, cream, and liquid makeup. It says your liquid makeup for a smooth and streak-free finish. Now this is it says the full-size brush is $12, and this does look like a full-size brush. So this is what it looks like. And it's like a blue, purplish, like really nice brush. And this is for contour. Then the next item that I received is Naked Cosmetics Purple Lip Scrub. And it says it's a perfect addition to your makeup routine. This lip scrub removes dead skin to soften and pep your lips for flawless lipstick application, packed with moisturizing oils, vitamin E, and a cooling, delicious peppermint flavor. It says you'll love the way it gently exfoliates your lips and leaves them feeling hydrated. And you would massage this on your lips, and they said the full size is $10. And let me just show you what it looks like inside. Let's see. And this is what it looks like inside. And it smells really nice. It does have that peppermint like smell to it. So yeah, this is really nice. Because my lips get dry, and so this would be very good for the lips. And again, this is what it looks like. And then my last item that I received is, and if I didn't say it before, it says full size for this Naked Cosmetics is $10. Then I got this Kokie Cosmetics, and it says a gel ink dual-ended eyeliner. And this is in jet black. So let me just show you what it looks like. It has two ends to it. So let me just show you the first end. And it's really nice. I like this. It's really nice there. So it says it's calling all cat eyes, newbies. And it says this liquid and gel eyeliner dual is here to help you create the perfect line, flicks, and wings every single time. And yeah, they just says They say that it's a jet black pigment, lasts for hours too. So yeah, this is what this side looks like. And let me show you the other side. And this is what this side looks like. It's just a regular eyeliner. So, yep. So this is the Kokie Cosmetics Gel Ink Dual Ended Eyeliner. And they said the full size is $8. So yeah, this is what I got. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And like I said, I will link in the description box how much I paid for this IPSY Glam bag for each month. So again, I would like to thank you and say goodbye.